My name is Eggless. I sincerely appreciate all our subscribers. We love your comments, we love your encouragement, and we want to really appreciate you for that. It's been a long while anyway, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you my eggless chocolate cake recipe. Wow, it's awesome, it's awesome. I love it. I love it because it's easy to make, it's delicious. My clients love it. I make it every now and then. It's a regular recipe for me. And you know what I love about it? You can actually cover it with fondant. Yes, it's fondant friendly. And apart from that, you can also use it for your tier cakes, for your stacked cakes and all of that. So it's something you will love to do. I love it, my clients love it, my kids love it, and I love to eat it every now and then. Stay with me. Yeah, now to make this eggless chocolate cake, all you need are basic ingredients. Yes, basic and available ingredients. You need vegetable oil. Ensure that you use a good quality oil so that you can get the best of it. Okay, and then you need sugar, granulated sugar. You need flour. This is all-purpose flour. You need some baking soda, a mixing bowl, water, milk, room temperature milk, vinegar, salt, cocoa powder. I try to use the best cocoa powder that I can get, okay? And then some flavor. Yeah, what I have here is vanilla flavor. Don't worry about the recipe, the quantity of the ingredients we have here. I have included the recipe in the description box, so you can check it out there. So you're going to put all your wet ingredients together in a mixing bowl. We are starting with vegetable oil. Yeah, in a clean mixing bowl. Milk. Remember, your milk should be at room temperature. Vinegar. Flavor. Room temperature water, not warm water, not hot water, just normal room temperature water. Now all our wet ingredients are together in a bowl. After that, we are going to add sugar. Yeah. So we have added our sugar. After adding our sugar into the wet ingredients, the next thing we're going to add is our baking soda. We'll add the salt, our cocoa powder, and then it's time to whisk everything together. We're going to start whisking to incorporate all our ingredients together, okay? This may take a while. Just be patient until all ingredients are properly incorporated. Slow and steady. Our ingredients are nicely incorporated. You can see how silky it looks and glossy. So it's time to add up our flour. Our flour has already been sieved, so we are going to gradually add it up. you're going to keep gradually adding and stirring until it is all nicely incorporated, okay? So we have added up all our flour, and you just keep mixing until you blend in all your ingredients nicely. This is almost ready, as you can see. I just want to dip my hand into it and taste. It's so delicious. Yeah, this is ready. We are going to bake this in 3 8-inch baking pan. We are going to use round pans. This will bake for about 30 to 40 minutes, after which we'll come back and show you the outcome. Thanks for watching. Our cakes are ready, you can see. Yeah, we have some cupcakes and some 3 other 8 inches round cakes. All this came out from the same measurement that we worked on. As you can see, it's super moist. We're going to open one of it so that you can see what it looks like inside. Yummy, 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 yummy. This is really good. So I would like you to all try this at home, okay? Try it and let me know have your feedback on this. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We have some other amazing tutorials coming up. Thank you for being part of us. We encourage you to also put on your notification bell so that you get notified as soon as we upload new videos. Thank you.